Hi, I want to welcome you to 1581 South Gastel Circle in Mission Manor in Mission, Texas. Mission Manor is a quaint over 55 community located in Mission, Texas. There's only about 107 homes in this neighborhood. There is one in and one out, so not a lot of through traffic. And stick around till the end because I'm going to take you over to the community area where the swimming pool and hot tub are. So let me tell you about this home. So as promised, we're back from the community center and the swimming pool and the hot tub, and I just want to spend a couple of seconds and tell you just how close you are to all the amenities, because although this is a very quiet neighborhood, very relaxing, you are not far from services and amenities and restaurants and shops. So let me tell you, you are 5 minutes from 3 grocery stores, 5 minutes from Walgreens and CVS, less than a mile from a really nice bingo hall. You are 15 minutes to Champion Lake Golf Course. You're 5 minutes to the Shary Golf Course. You're 5 minutes to the Mission Regional Hospital. Let's see what else. Oh, 15 minutes to the world famous Butterfly Center. 15 minutes to Bentsen State Park. 15 minutes to the IMAS Museum, which is the International Museum of Arts and Sciences in McAllen. 10 minutes to the Mission Hike and Bike Trails, just to name a few things. Also, the expressway is not far. It's just right down there. So you can hit it and get to South Padre Island in just an hour and a half. So what are you waiting for? If you have any questions about what it's like to live in an over 55 community, reach out. I'm happy to share with you what any of the rules and covenants are here. So what are you waiting for? Don't delay. Reach out to me. Let's come see this gorgeous house and see if living in Mission Manor is right for you.